Okay, here we are on question 2 of the Chapter 1 homework, which is a question from the June 2005 paper. In part A, we've got to express x squared minus 6x plus 16 as a squaredy bracket plus a number at the end. You should recognise that as being the method of completing the square. And all you need to do, if you've forgotten how to do that, is look up in your Chapter 1 notes. It's around about page 8, and I think it's example 3 in Chapter 1. And you'll see worked examples of how to do that. In part B, the same curve as part A, all the parts are linked together. We've got to sketch this curve. We've got to find the coordinates of the vertex, sketch the curve, indicating where the value, where it crosses the y-axis. Now, if you look a little bit later in Chapter 1, round about page 15, something like example 7.2 shows you all you need to know really about sketching that kind of curve showing the position of a vertex and its line of symmetry. So the whole of part B that example will help with. Then part C, describe geometrically a transformation which maps the y equals x squared onto the graph we've just been talking about. Well, this word transformation in core 1, there is only one kind of transformation you can be asked about, which is a translation. And when you're specifying a translation, you need to give the column vector for that translation, how many units it's moved across and down, and that's very closely related to the vertex that you found previously. And to just give you a little bit more of an idea on that, if you look back at page 15 of your notes, example 7.1 actually talks about a translation, so you can see how that works. But once you've found the vertex, you're well on your way to finding that column vector for the translation. So I hope that's all you need for question 2.